Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on using the website for Parent Education Network Island, a multi-user virtual environment for parents and parent educators. The website is designed so that you start from the left and work your way over to the right. Under the home page, you'll be able to find About Wales. As you scroll down, you can click on the embed for my personal work. This is my website, the Father's Care Workshop, and in the Father's Care Workshop, you'll find links to the programs that I teach privately and some of the work that I do in my day job. And then further down, you'll read about this website and the tutorials and my work in the Master's Adult Learning Program at Empire State College and my final project in developing the multi-user virtual environment. Further down, you'll find the Course Sites Learning Management System. Under the Course Sites LMS, you'll find some videos on orienting and navigating the Course Sites management system and weekly discussion threads, assessment and evaluation strategies. Next, you'll see using Flipgrid, and Flipgrid might seem like a challenge, but it's a 21st century skill related to technology and collaboration and will be very helpful for parent educators in their work in teaching parent education. Next, you'll see an embedded video on using Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic is another technology we'll be using throughout the class. It's free and will be a great way to record our work. Further down, you'll find an embed to Facebook. The Parent Education Virtual World Peony is the link for Facebook. So this is the homepage for Parent Education Network Island at Facebook, and you can see there are videos uploaded here. This will be a place where we'll be able to continue social networking. And the research tab is where my final project will be stored. And then finally, virtual reality resources. These are helpful links for people that are more interested in learning about virtual business. In the Hypergrid Business link, you will find many useful resources all about virtual reality business. So clicking on using a multi-user virtual environment, you will find videos that are the first step to getting into Kitely. You'll see about creating a Kitely account, installing Firestone Viewer, and logging into Kitely. In the next section, using your avatar, you will find some videos that my colleague Jenna created. She also made the Getting into Kitely videos on using maps, moving around, sitting down, communicating basics, and camera controls. And then further down, Developing Parent Education Network Island, you'll find an archive of early videos in the development of the virtual island, Parent Education Network Island. Moving over to the classes, when you click on Goals and Strategies, you will find the entire course curriculum of overall content assessment and evaluation strategies for the course. And as you scroll down to each module, you will find the assignments and sections for that module. Module 1 consists of 5 sections. Section A, so at the beginning you will see the topic, the learning objectives, instructional strategy, and then a video tutorial for that night's class. And as you see, Section B, moving around, learning objectives, instructional strategy, and the video. Section 3 is climbing stairs at Gazebo Tower, learning objectives, instructional strategies, again, the video. Then Section 4, flying around Sky Island, and section 5, having fun at the carnival. And then finally, in the section for parent educators, when you click on the Protective Factors Framework, you will find some links to the New York State Parent Education Partnership, the Center for the Study of Social Policy, and childwelfare.gov. And this area will continue to be an area that will be expanded upon during the studies with all of the teams that I'm working with. And then finally, under resources, you'll find some other useful resources. You will find the National Parent Education Network and the National Council on Family Relations. Again, these are embedded and will take you directly to their websites. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful.